this is Echoes of Revenge, and this is my game. So when you start, you have a menu right here, setting. And also this is also like this is like credit, which also plays yeah, basically it will play later and you start at a room like I said before, right? So when you enter, this is the game. So you will meet the NPC, and he will tell you basically the lore of the story that I was planning on this based on the book. So as you can see from the last time, I've added a lot of like texture, lighting, and also indirect particles to make the world more interactive. First quest, like I said before, get a black heart. Later on, you get a 700 for today because in a timely manner, I already put the keypad like near the boss, second boss. So I get the key, and then there's a craft system which I will show you right away. Waterfall. I'll try to brush this and basically on the animation and the art here, you can see the art for the gameplay was animated by me, and they are made at as you can see, that was the rain sound. These are the checkpoints right away if you're wondering. And the rain particle, you can also play the sound when you enter the area. And when you go to the basement here, you get more wood. And even the particle effect, as you can see, I also draw it. And then you can grab the whatever this. I think it's a band of wood, because you need 5 wood, right? So let's see. And then you go again. One second. Show. Alright, let's press that for now. But yeah, it should be crafting. Alright, now you get a key, right? You go ahead to the website. But I already put the sword prefab here. Besides the animation. Get the sword. And so you can open it to the boss, this is the mini boss, and you can skip the first boss. I also have a rating attack. As you see, it's hold the player down. Here you can see it hold the player down, and then yeah, I died. But basically, for this boss, when you defeat them, you will get like, yeah, you will get stuff in there. But yeah, so you can defeat the boss. Yeah, you can also put on your sword to defeat it. And when you defeat, it plays the animation. And you also have the next boss. You can get the red gem, but well, I already crafted the sword here, so let's move on. So this is the second checkpoint. You can also get the heart over here. This is for the main quest. We craft the blue key there, and you enter this the part so you find out the fall, and you also defeat the enemy right here. So defeat him. This is when you die. Alright, let's run again. Hold on 1 second. This is hard. But yeah, also like when you enter the menus, just skip to run to the main boss. Yeah, you can press any key to skip. Alright, I just skip to the next one's 5 then. Yeah, the trap was working. And so like I said, the first one is you can skip right here, and let's go down. So I also have added a poison pool as interactive here. When you go down, you can hear the sound. You can see the particles here. Like those are also I draw the bubbles. And when
2 minutes.
when you fall down, you can actually move stuff. And you have to do get 7 card and go back to the NPC that I showed you earlier. And this is the sword. You enter it. Oh, I'm not going to my okay. And then you enter the boss fight. So this is when you lose out. And then when you die, you come back and you respond with like the first form. Then when you defeat him, oh, I need to. Okay. Alright. When you beat him, oh, let's see. Oh, what's yeah, it's a little bit wait back. Yeah, but if you would change to the second form, 1 second now.
1 minute.
Alright, Sam. Oh, sorry. Let's just jump right in. Oh. Hold on. Yeah, but basically the boss have 2 phases, and I'm